uBushi Mape ube nguNdunankulu waseNorth West wesikhombisa kusukela ngo-2021 kuya ku-2024. I-ANC ithi iqhaza lakhe kwezombusazwe nokwakha uhulumeni ongcono kuzokhumbuleka kakhulu.
He is one of the people that embraced the renewal program of the ANC, emphasized that it needs to be implemented. And we will remember them for that, those of our veterans that did not forsake the ANC. He was ANC until he took his last breath.
Isishayamthetho sesifundazwe iNorth West sithi uMape ubekholelwa kakhulu kuhulumeni oqotho.
Mape was one person who believed in good governance practices. He was ethical. I don't remember reading or having to defend a scandal about him, either through corruption or fraud.
uMape wabe eyisiboshwa saseRobben Island. Amaqembu ezombusazwe athi uzokhumbuleka njengomuntu owabamba iqhaza elikhulu ekulweni nohulumeni wencindezelo.
We send our sincere condolences to the family, comrades and friends of Bushi Mape. History leaves no blank pages. I mean, he played his role during the time of a fight against the apartheid South Africa.
Amalungiselelo omngcwabo wakhe abengakaqinisekiswa.